Hindi magdadagay. Oh, mother!
Oh my gosh, Mila, dirty. It's funny how he eats you.
This chicken capsa, guys. For Milad, he will eat.
What's your food today?
What's your food?
Look how he put his feet up.
Rice.
Milad.
Why you put the spoon like that?
Hi guys. You do mukbang with Nemi.
Mukbanger, Milad.
Is that for Milad or for your baby?
This for Milad.
Okay, it's for you.
With basmati rice. This, yeah, basmati rice.
And this is the sauce. Wow.
But Milad cannot drink sauces. Spicy. Spicy, Milad.
Maybe Labarn.
Dado likes, yeah.
Milad, you want Labarn?
You want yogurt?
Labarn. Oh my.
Wow.
What do you want?
The dot.
Huh?
The dot.
What?
The dot.
This your food.
Yogurt?
Put him yogurt, yeah.
Oh my.
The dot.
Yoga.
Can I have this?
Oh my god. Oh my.
Punch, punch.
In the corner.
I'm sorry. Eat rice. With a spoon.
Perfect.
Divide. Divide.
Huh?
Diba?
What's that?
Divide.
Yeah, it's a fly.
Can you eat the rice?
say it in two languages.
Yeah.
There is fly and feed ban.
Yeah. Oh my. Milad, eat the rice.
Yeah.
It's yummy.
Milad.
He knows how to use spoon.
Hot? Oh, he's eating salad? You're eating salad, Milad? Wow.
So healthy, Mila.
Your spoon.
Wow.
Wow, you have a feeder. Your feeder is pretty. And your bodyguard also.
Aww.
Yeah, eat with a spoon.
Eat with your spoon.
You always eat on your own. Mmm.
Yummy.
Milad. Mukbangers.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Really,
Oh my
deserve
god.
I'm fun.
Spoon. Where's your
Yeah, you
spoon?
should really say, oh my god, after you did that.
Eat with a spoon, Milad.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, what are you doing?
Divide.
Oh my, you are eating with spoon?
You're eating water?
Milad.
Oh my god.
How's your salad?
Look at this. You know how is it? It's yummy.
Yeah.
So good.
Yeah, this is mine. I start with it.
Mama,
What?
Mama's
Mama
eating
eats?
rice.
Okay, I will eat.
Yeah, Mama is
Daddy,
eating
let's
rice,
eat.
you see? She loves rice.
Yeah.
Oh, this sauce is fresh from the farm.
sauce.
We just picked our tomatoes from the garden.
Baba.
Yes, Baba?
Sauce.
Ah, imaginary sauce because it's spicy for you.
Oh my
He
god!
has this spoon he eat with rice one and the one.
Milad, eat the rice. You want chicken, Milad?
He's using the 2 spoons.
He's staring at Lima.
Oh, dirty. Dirty. Oh, okay. Oh,
Oh, look at Milad.
Oh, mother.
oh my gosh, Mila, dirty. Masaha.
Clean, Lila. Clean her hands. Oh my God, Milad.
Oh
Oh my God, gentlemen.
It's so cute. Sino?
Oh,
Gentlemen.
eat your rice, Milad. Eat rice. It's funny how he eats it.
برافو. حبيت تفكيرك يا ريان. عم ياكل.
رجله بس رجله.
هاد بابا باسي.
ليش ما عم تاكلي ليلى؟
Look at Ate Dio, Sharon.
باسي.
Look at the plate of Ate Dio. Where is she?
Sharon.
Sharon.
No eat.
Look, Limar will teach you how to eat.
صح هيك مسوية؟ واو برافو ليمو.
Bravo.
Why you have 2 spoons? Oh my god.
This bus.
Ba?
Baba.
Okay, eat good. Wow!
Why two?
Only one.
Only one spoon. That's a sign language. He did that.
How old are you, Milad?
How old are you?
How old are you?
See.
3.
Not 3,
No. Two.
2.
So high. So high.
بدك هاي؟
Ano?
شو بدك؟
Wow, pa bebe. Milad is pa bebe. Because his cousins are here.
بطاطا؟ هاي مو بطاطا. هاي كراب.
That's how many. Feeling
Or
healthy.
not?
You only show when you're eating salad.
It's yummy.
But when you're
No. But there is something in your
Yeah.
Milad. شو بك؟
So bad.
شو بك؟ ميلاد عارفة للماما
more, more.
Oh my god
خليه يبلع بس. ما تبلع.
Don't eat.
أنا بدي أكل أنا
Oh my God.
ليش هون حطيتها؟ ليه حطيت السبون بالواتر؟ قد ايه عمرك ميلاد؟ قد ايه عمرك؟ ميلاد؟ يا ميلاد قد ايه عمرك؟ قد ايه عمرك؟
قول لها.
Ning.
اثنين.
انت؟ برافو
Oh, eat. Look at